Alright guys, hope you're doing well. We're going to be looking at Tom Walker's song Leave a Light On today. You're going to need the Capo on the first fret to play the chords. But the riff, you don't need a Capo, you can just play that. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the riff. I'm going to teach you how to play the riff first, the drop, and then I'm going to show you how to play the chords. And we have some nice simple rhythms for these chords as well, alright, so that's not too tricky. So, to play this riff, you want to go all the way up to the 12th fret with your third finger on the D string, okay? So just find that note first. Alright. For most of this riff, we use our third finger and our first finger, okay? So 12th fret D string. You can read the tab as well, don't forget. Okay, so we're going to play 1, bum, 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 bum. It's basically like the D minor chord. We're just playing up the chords. So 12th fret, then the next string is 10th fret with your first finger. So just play the first two notes. Just play that first. And then we go to the B string, then the E string, 10th fret. Alright. That's the first part. So just pause the video, work on that. Then we're going to play. So for this part, I want you to use your first finger on the 10th fret of the E string, but then use your middle finger on the 13th fret of the B string. And underneath that, you have your third finger here on the 13th fret, okay? Now we can use pretty much the same picking for the next part. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. So we have, that's the 10th fret on the B string. Okay, so this is probably overwhelming at the minute because there's so many notes. So take your time with each part, alright? Let me break down the whole thing so far. We have boom, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, then to finish, now for this part, you'll notice in the demonstration I used my fourth finger and my third finger. But if I were you, I would actually keep it the same as here. So middle finger, third finger. Okay, so we're going to do first finger, 10th fret on the B string, middle finger, 12th fret on the G string, third finger, 13th fret on the B string. So you go dun, 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 dun. So from the top again, we have bum, 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 bum. Then to finish, so up, down, down, down. We got 10th, then 12th fret G string, 10th fret G string, and slide down to the 9th fret. Okay, and if you want to add that, I will leave the light on, I will leave the light on, down, up, down, up, down, up. You have on the G string, 12th fret and 10th fret. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright guys, now that I've shown you the riff, we're going to have a look at the chords, right? So, we have 4 chords. We got this kind of C sharp minor, A, E major, and B. Alright, so let me break these down for you if you don't know them. Because the rhythms are very simple for this song. The rhythms are simple. The chords are a little tricky. Now if we didn't have the Capo on, we could play this a key down, C sharp minor. Alright, so we're going to just move everything up because we have the capo on fret 1. Alright, which means we can play in the same key as Tom Walker. So the first shape is C sharp minor. So what I want you to do is leave the first finger till last. Start with these three. So we have third finger. This is going to be on the 7th fret. Okay, so there should be a dot there on the G string. This is D string, sorry. Third finger, 7th fret, D string. Underneath, you have your 4th finger. Okay, and then underneath that, on the 6th fret, is your middle finger. Okay, then add the first finger to the 5th fret on the A string. Okay, and you'll notice the E string is actually open. Okay, so that's a nice open shape. Then we're going to slide down to our A chord. Alright, for this you just want to have the open A string. Your middle finger is 2nd fret from the capo, 3rd finger 2nd fret from the capo, 4th finger 2nd fret, open E. Alright, then we have E major. So for this 3rd chord you want open E, middle finger is 2nd fret from the capo, 3rd finger 2nd from the capo, 1st finger is going to be 1st fret on the G string, open B, open E. Okay, and then to finish we have this sort of B shape. Now there's a few ways of playing this. The harder version, you see how my wrist is bent like this. You can't really play it any other way. But if that hurts, I'm going to show you an easier version. Alright, so just try this first. If it's too tricky, then you can play the easy version. So we have middle finger, 5th fret on the D string, 3rd finger 5th fret G string, 4th finger 5th fret B string, and then we have open E. You get that really nice clashy sus sound, right? Then we bring the wrist down and stretch that 1st finger across. Okay, so always start with these three and then you kind of stretch. Otherwise it really hurts your wrist. If you start here, it's going to strain your wrist less to then move the 1st finger over. Okay, there's your B chord, that's the last one. Now if this hurts your wrist and you're struggling, you can play this instead. So just bring these two, 3rd and 4th, bring them up. Okay, so now we have 3rd finger 5th fret on the D string and 4th finger 5th fret on the G string. Okay, so for this easier shape we have open B and open E. Alright, then again add the 1st finger. Now you notice you don't have to bend your wrist as much, you can bring it in a little with this shape, which is why it's easier, okay? But I prefer the sound of getting that note in, okay? So the first verse, nice and simple, just play one strum for each chord. So the second someone mentioned you were all alone, could feel trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know it's got a home, just a funk. So just one strum, all right. But when we get to the pre-chorus, we can sort of build it up to this drop with more of a like a pumping rhythm. So if you look into the distance, there's a house upon the hill, guiding like a lighthouse to a place where you'll be safe to feel like grace. 'Cause we've all made mistakes, and if you've lost your way, I will leave the light on. Do you hear that? So I kind of started with down, 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 down. And then you slowly get louder. We've all made mistakes, and if you've lost your way, I will leave the light on. And then obviously you can either play the riff if you're playing along to the song, but if it's just you and a guitar, then maybe you want to play these chords. So the last rhythm that we need to cover is this kind of chorus rhythm. So if you don't want to play the drop, if you want to play the chords behind it, you have to play down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, up, down, up. I will leave the light on. So if you look at this hand, you see that it's always moving down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, right? So make sure you're kind of always moving that so the ups and the downs are in the right place. So just practice this slowly at first. So you want to go down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, and you can change this around. If you want to change anything, you can, but the basic rhythm I'm showing you here will work every time, right? Down, down, up, 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 down, up. And after you play that last down up, you can kind of add another down up as you change. So down up, down up. As I'm changing, I go chugga, okay, chugga. Just that little extra down up, just adds a little scratch. So down, down, up, 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 down, up, waka, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, waka. All right. So you have two options. You can either play these chords or you can play the boom, 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 boom,